Namaskar dosto, welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. So in today's podcast we'll discuss the key levels for the market, the trend for the market and the sectors which are likely to remain in focus. First up, coming to the update in the global market. So in trade yesterday, if you see, the Dow Jones surged sharply, marking its highest closing level ever. The S&P 500 added 0.21%, while the Nasdaq slipped by 0.31%. The mixed performance on Wall Street reflected lingering concerns about the near-term outlook, particularly concerns over potential tech bubble amid recent volatility. The S&P 500 is currently trading above its short and long-term moving averages. The daily RSI, if you see, is about to surge above the 60 mark. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone, that is the levels of 6,760, will act as an important support for the index, while on the upside, the main zone of 6,880, 6,900 will be the immediate hurdle. Talking about Brent oil, so Brent oil has been trading in a narrow range from the last 11 trading sessions. Going ahead, the 100-day EMA zone, that is the levels of 66.4, will act as an important hurdle for Brent oil, while on the downside, the zone of 63, 62.8 will act as a crucial support. If we see talk about the dollar index, so the dollar index ended on a negative note on Tuesday. Going ahead, the 200-day EMA zone of 100.2 will act as an important hurdle for the index. On the downside, the 100-day EMA zone of 98.7 will act as a crucial support. Now coming to the update regarding Nifty. So during the weekly expiry, the benchmark index Nifty witnessed a volatile trading session. It opened on a weaker note and slipped to an intraday low of 25,449 in the first half, reflecting cautious sentiment. However, the second half saw a sharp rebound driven by renewed buying interest, which helped the index recover and close near the 25,700 mark, registering a gain of 0.47%. On the daily chart, Nifty formed a sizable bullish candle with a long lower shadow, indicating strong buying interest at the lower levels and suggesting that the bulls are actively defending the key support zone. Currently, the index is trading above its crucial moving averages, and these averages are on a rising trajectory. The daily RSI is about to surge above the 60 mark, which is a bullish sign. We believe the index is likely to continue its northward journey and test 25,900 followed by 26,050 levels in the short term, while on the downside, the 200-day EMA zone, that is the levels of 25,590, 25,620 to 25,590 will act as the immediate support. Coming to the option chain data, 25,800 और 25,900 के स्ट्राइक्स में डिसेंट कॉल राइटिंग देखने को मिल रहा है, और पुट साइड में जो हाईएस्ट ओआई बिल्टअप जो है दैट इज सीन ऑन दी 25,600 and 25,500 strikes. Coming to the PCR data, so if you see the PCR currently for Nifty is at 1.04. Coming to the update regarding Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also witnessed a smart rebound after marking a low of 57,594. It formed a bullish candle with a long lower shadow, reflecting buying interest at lower levels. Going ahead, the zone of 58,300, 58,400 will act as a key hurdle for the index. A sustained move above 58,400 could trigger a sharp upside rally towards 59,000. On the downside, the support zone of 57,600 is expected to provide a cushion against short-term weakness. Coming to the update regarding Sensex, so the benchmark index Sensex also ended on a positive note and it has formed a bullish candle with a long lower shadow. The lower shadow indicates buying interest at lower levels. Currently, if we see, the index is trading above its crucial moving averages and these averages are in rising trajectory. अगर सेंसेक्स के लेवल्स के बारे में बात करें तो 83,500, 83,400 will act as the immediate support, and on the upside the resistance is seen closer towards 84,200. ऑप्शन चेन में अगर देखा जाए फॉर थर्सडेज एक्सपायरी 84,000 स्ट्राइक और 84,500 के स्ट्राइक में डिसेंट कॉल राइटिंग देखने को मिल रहा है, और पुट साइड में जो सिग्निफिकेंट ओआई बिल्टअप है दैट इज सीन इन 83,500 एंड 83,000 स्ट्राइक. अगर सेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करें तो टेक्निकली जो सेक्टर्स करंटली जो पॉजिटिव लग रहे हैं दैट इज़ निफ्टी प्राइवेट बैंक, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, PSU Bank, Defense, IT, Capital Market, Metal, Oil and Gas, ये सारे सेक्टर्स में मोमेंटम पॉजिटिव तरफ है. एंड सेक्टर्स दैट आर लाइकली टू अंडर परफॉर्म फ्रॉम अ शॉर्ट टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव is Nifty Media, Nifty Tourism, FMCG. That's a wrap of today's edition of the Morning Podcast. Thank you for tuning in.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.